Hello everyone, my name is Timothy Murewa Joseph. In this video, I am going to teach you calculations in indices. I have made a video about the laws of indices. So if you have not watched that video, please look for it on my YouTube channel and watch it for better understanding of this lesson. But if you know all the basic laws of indices, there's no need to watch the video. Okay, so just pay attention. I'm going to use different past questions to teach you how to do all the calculations in indices. So let's begin. Question 1. So let me put it here. Question 1. So if 9 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 81 raised to the power of x minus 2 over 3x. No, so this is 3 raised to the power of x. 3 raised to the power of x. Find x. We always find x in mathematics. I don't know how I'm going to get it this guy. Okay, so let's do the work in here. Solution. So here we have 9 raised to the power of 2x plus 1, and then it's 1 raised to the power of x minus 2. 3 raised to the power of x, we have to find x. So in this case, you look at all the bases here. The basis here is 9, the base here is 1, and then the base is 3. So and this is the lowest base, and then this is the index. So what we're going to do first thing is to convert all the terms into the same base. So which is the lowest base? That is base 3. So we are going to do that by saying that 3 raised to the power of 2, that is 3 times 3. So we give us 9. So 3 raised to the power of 2 bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket is equal to 81 is going to be raised to the power of 4, then bracket x minus 2, then we close divided by the 3 raised to the power of x. So here all these bases, the bases take care of themselves, so they are gone. So we are going to open the brackets now. So 2 times 2x, we should have 4x, yes. 2 times plus 1, we should have 2. And then the same thing is here. 4 times x, we should have 4. So x minus 4 times 2, which is 8. And then this x, we're going to take it up. And when we take it up, it's going to be minus 1x. This is according to the fractional index law. So let's collect the like terms. So here we have 4x and okay, let me just write it. 4x here plus minus 4x, not plus, and then we have minus x here. So this is going to be plus x. So plus 1x equal to minus 2 minus 8. So we should have this goes, this 2, this one goes, this one goes. So 0. So we should have 1x here, 1x, which is equal to, what do we have here? Minus 2 minus x is minus 2 minus 8 rather. So we should have minus 10. So this is the answer to this problem. Yeah. This is the solution. Okay, let's take another example. Let's see if we can solve up to 10 questions. Question 2. Okay. So if 4 raised to the power of x, 4, if 4 is raised to the power of x equal to 2 raised to the power of half times 8. What are we going to find again? It's the x. My goodness. Find x. We just found x now. Understand? So we're finding x again. That's mathematics for you. Okay. So, okay. So we have 4x, 4 is to the power of x, not 4x, and 2 is to the power of 1 over 2 times x. So we are going to look for this x when we are saying it, yes. The same rules is applied. The same rule is applied here. What we did in question 1, we're going to repeat it here. So we are going to change all the terms into the same base. So, and the lowest base here is 2. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2x equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3. So these take care of themselves, and then we should have 2x equal to 1 over 2 plus 3 over 1. Remember the multiplication law. So we had the indices here. So here, what we need to do here is to take the LCM of this. We simplify, and then so let me just put it here. So show you here. So the LCM is going to be 2, and we simplify. So we have 2 cancel 2. So and then 2 cancel 2 is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So we should have 7 over 2, and then we bring it here. 2x is equal to 7 over 2. So if you like, make this over 1, yes. And then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you are going to have 4x equal to 7. Here you divide both sides by 4. Yes, this quotient of x, the one that we are looking for. And when we say we divide both sides by 4, we are going to have 7 over 4. Yes, as an improper fraction. If you want to change it to mixed fraction or proper fraction, so you can further simplify and see your answer is this one whole number 3 over 4. Yes, this is it. Okay, let's take another question. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the screen now, and then we solve another problem. Yes, let me erase the screen. Okay, I'm not getting rid of my screen. Right, let's consider another question. So question 3. Question 3 says if okay, so we are going to simplify given that so let me change the format of this question. Given that 3 times 9 raised to the power of 1 plus x is equal to 27 raised to the power of x. So we should find x. Find x. Okay, we're going to find x. So let me bring the work in here. This is g given. Solution. So here we have 3 times 9 raised to the power of 1 plus x, and then 27 raised to the power of x. We are going to look for our missing friend, which is x. So I think this is minus x. So the same rule is applicable. In order to solve this, we are going to change all these terms into the same base. Going to give every term the same base. And because when you look at this, the lowest base here is 3, so we are going to say 3 raised to the power of 1, right? Times 3 raised to the power of 2 brackets 1 plus our x, then we close the bracket, equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 bracket minus this one x. Okay, so this is, you have to change all the bases to all the terms into the same base. So now we can now simplify to get our answer. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 1. So 3 raised to the power of 1 times 3 raised to the power of 2 brackets 1 plus x, close bracket. So we simplify. Let's open the bracket. So we should have 2 plus 2, what do we have here? 2x, yes, equal to 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 3x. So let me put the minus here, minus 3x. And then when you look at it, you see that all these are going to take care of themselves here. So this cancel this cancel this, and this cancel this. So according to the multiplication law, we are going to add these powers here. So that is, since we have a similar base, so we have 1 plus 2 plus 2x equal to 3 raised to the power of minus 3x. There's minus here. So here we should have 1 plus 2, so we have 3. So we have 3 plus 2x equal to minus 3x. So this 3 cancel each other. So here we should have we collect like terms. When we collect the like terms, we are going to have 3 equal to minus 3x minus 2x. So what is our value here? So 3 equal to minus 5x, and then we divide both sides by minus 5. When we divide both sides by minus 5, our result should be x equal to minus 3 over 5, like this. So this is the answer. Let's take another question and solve, but we need to demarcate because to vanish the board. So solve question 4. Solve the equation. Solve the equation, and then the equation we have is 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 close bracket minus 9 bracket 2 raised to the power of x close bracket plus 4. Okay, so in this equation is different from the first, second, and the third questions that we have solved. So okay, let's start solution. So first thing that we need to do here is to rewrite this term, here. So this the same thing as 2 raised to the power of x bracket 2 times 2 raised to the power of 1. This is according to the multiplication law of indices and the power law of indices. Then we have minus 9 brackets 2 raised to the power of x close brackets plus 4 equal to 0. Oh my goodness, so I wrote 40 here, so I need to take it out. It's equal to 0. This is why it's good to have students around sometimes. Yeah. So now that we have expressed this as this, we are going to say that let's pick a particular letter. Okay, we have been dealing with x since, so now we are going to pick y. So let's our 2x here, 2x by. So let's do x by so that we can get this. So let's do this to the power of x rather. Let's do x by now. So now what you're going to do here is to replace this 2 to the power of x with this y. Wherever you see 2 to the power of x, you replace it with y, and we have it here. So we have here, so this is going to be y square because of these 2, y square times 2 minus 9 brackets another y because this is 2 to the power of x plus 4 equal to 0. My goodness, what is happening? plus 4 equal to 0. Yeah. Okay, so y squared times 2, we should have 2y squared. Yes. Yes, correct. Minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. Yep. Okay, I need to demarcate this. Okay. So, does it really matter? I don't think so. So let's take it away. So we can still use it that way. So now we've gotten a quadratic equation, and then we need to solve this quadratic equation to get our answer. So we solve this quadratic equation, so we are going to using a factorization method, we can solve this quadratic equation. I'm sure you still remember how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. We are going to factorize this. So using factorization method, we can factorize this equation. And get our answer. So here we have 2y squared. So to factorize, let's get the factor of this. So this minus 9y. So we should have minus y, 1y, then minus 8y plus 4 equal to 0. Then we can bracket this. Oh, we can bracket this now. Okay, yeah, we can bracket it. So we should have, when we bracket, we should have something like this. Okay, let's secure the bracket. So we're going to have 2y square in brackets now. 2y square minus 8y plus 4. Yes, 2y square. So we should have, to simplify, we should have, that is, simplify this, and then you simplify this too. So to do that, we should have 2y, no, sorry, we space. So we can, what do we have here? 2y, y. Okay, 2y square. So we can bracket this, put this into brackets as well, and then we simplify. So here we are going to have y bracket 2y minus 1, then minus 4, yes, bracket 2y minus 1 as well, equal to 0, and then we take this and this. So here we have 2y minus 1, and then y minus 4. So this, so we have y minus 4 in brackets, and like this brackets. Okay, then what again do we have? Yes, then bracket 2y minus 1. So we take 1 out of this. So equal to 0. Okay, so let me get rid of this space. Let me erase this. Because to create more space. Okay. Okay, that's good. So now we have y minus 4 in brackets and 2y minus 1 in bracket as well equal to 0. So in this case, when you simplify, which means y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2y minus 1 equal to 0 too. So we should have y is equal to 4 or y is equal to what? Yeah, we should have y is equal to half. Yes, 1 over 2. Yes, y is equal to half. So why, if you don't know how we get this answer, let me just put it at this corner here. So which 2y minus 1 equal to 0. When you collect the like terms, so you are going to have something like this plus 1. Then you divide both sides by y, then you should have 1 over 2. This is clear, right? So this is how we get this value. Okay, so let's continue. Now that I've found the value of y, the values of y, so we have 4 or half. So we are going to say that when y is equal to 4, when y, then we substitute equal to 4, what is 2x? 2 raised to the power of x, so which means 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 4. Remember that our y represents 2 raised to the power of x. So we simplify now. So this is 2 raised to the power of plus 1x. Let's make it then the same base. 2 raised to the power of 2, and then these two takes care of themselves. So we should have x equal to 2 here. Yep. Then when y is half, when y is half, which means that 2 to the power of x is going to be 1 over 2, right? 1 over 2. So according to the what do we call it? It's not fractional index. So we just take the reciprocal of this. So which is going to be, so this is going to be 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1. Make everything the same base. So this guy cancel this one, and then our x is equal to minus 1. Yes, that is the solution to this problem. I'm sure you are learning something. How many questions have we solved? 4. Can we still solve more? I thought I would be able to solve 10 past questions. Okay, let's see. So let's consider another example. I'm going to erase the board now, and then we'll consider another question. Now, so let me erase everything. Question 5. Question 5. Simplify or 25 in brackets, and then it is raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 which is half times 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 15 raised to the power of 15 divided by 2 and then raised to the power of minus 2. So simplify. So let's put the solution here. So here we are not looking for x. I'm just going to simplify. I think we have found x. So this according to negative index law, we're going to take the reciprocal of this, so which means it's going to be 1 over root, and then the power here is minus 1 over 2, this fraction. So we're taking the reciprocal 1 over 4 divided by 25, which means the roots square roots of these two numbers. So 4 over 25. 4 over 25. Again, I have explained this in my video. In that lesson, we are talking about the law of indices. So I've explained why it is like this. Please, you can watch the video for better understanding. But if you know what happens here, I think it's okay. So it is not magic. We are going by the rules. Then multiply by 2 raised to the power of 4, which is going to be 16. We should just write it. Okay, let's write it as this first, and then again the same thing here. We take the reciprocal here. So this is going to 15. That is 1 to get rid of this negative sign over 15 over 2, written in brackets, and then raised to the power of this 2. Okay, so we simplify, continue. So this is 1 over 2, because the root of 4 is square root of 4 is 2. So we should have 1 over 2 over square root of 25 is 5 over 5, and then multiply by 16. So I would like to put this in brackets, but okay, these two guys, this expression. So if you like, you can put this over 1 if you like, but let me just take it away. Yeah, of course, 16 is still over 1, but let me not introduce that now, so not to confuse you. Divided by 1 over, so 15 square should be 225, 225, and then 2 square should be 4. Okay, now we can now simplify. So 1 over 2 divided by 5. So this is going to be, since we have 1, so this is going to be 5 over 2 times 16 over 1 divided by the same thing here. So this goes up, since it is 1 over 225 minus 4. Sorry, divided by 4. So it's going to be 4 divided by 225. In case you don't know what is happening, this is just simple simplification of fractions. So let me just take this and show you this one here. So we have 1 over 2 divided by 5. So this can be written as this. That is 1, no, this is not there, divided by 2 over 5. And then when you change this to multiplication, so you're going to have 1 times 5 over 2. So that is why which is the same thing as 5 over 2. Okay, so this is clear now. Yes. All right. So we are simplifying this first. So this cancel this, and then we have 8. Then we can. So let me erase this. Erase this. So we have 40. Yes, we have 40. Yes. So we have 40 divided by 2, 4 divided by 225, 225. So let's make this over 1. Same thing again. Remember the values, we change this to times, to multiplication, and then this goes up. Really? Again, 225 divided by 4. Now, yep. So this take care of this, and then this cancel this. So we have 10. Then we have 10. Okay, so we have 10 times 2, 2, which is going to be 2, 2, 5, 0. So we have 2,250 as our answer. And so I will simplify this. It's very simple. Just take your time to watch this video. You can download it whatever time until you understand it well. Okay, let's take. I want you to stop at question 5, but let's solve one more problem. One more problem. Okay, so question 6. So we are going to simplify. Okay, simplify 1 over 3 raised to the power of 5n times 9 raised to the power of n minus 1. Times, what do you have again? 27 raised to the power of n plus 1. So we are going to simplify this. This is now, why is my 9 looking ugly? My 9 is ugly. So let me write it. Okay. So you can see we are no longer looking for x again because we have found x. So and I'm glad to announce you that x is now resting well. Right. So So 1 over 3 raised to the power of 5n times 9 raised to the power of n minus 1 times 27 raised to the power of n plus 1. So we're going to give everything the same base. So all the terms here, we're going to change them to the same base so that we can simplify. And the lowest base is 3. So here, 1 over 3 raised to the power of 5n is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 5n. Yeah. Yes. Times 3 raised to the power of 2. No. Let's not do this. There are indices police that can arrest us if you make this mistake. So 2 brackets n minus 1 close the brackets, and then this is going to be 3 raised to the power of 3 bracket n plus 1 plus 1 close the brackets. So we have changed everything to the same base. So according to the multiplication law, because the sign we have in between these terms is multiplication sign. So according to multiplication law, so we are going to add the indices, that is the powers, add this, add this, add this, and then we can get the answer. So let's get down to business. So we just pick one since they have a common base now. We're not going to get rid of any of these base. So since they are common base, we're just going to pick one. This will not cancel this. You know why that is not happening in this problem? Because this is just an expression, not an equation. Yes, unlike other examples that you have considered. So this is an expression, not equation. So we're going to pick this one of these guys. So which one should be this? I think this is big. So let's pick this guy. It's not a law, so I'm just joking. So please, you can just write down your 3 and you had the indices. So 5n plus, okay, 2 times this guys is going to be 2n minus 2. Yes. Then plus 3 times this guy, we should have 3n plus 3. Yeah. And then we can add now. So minus 5n plus 2n, or we should rearrange. Okay, so let me just rearrange this equation. Yes. Okay, let me rearrange to make it easier. Okay, so we have space if I do the rearrangement. So I think you're going to understand. So this is 2n plus 3n. So we are going to have 5n here. So let's write down the base minus 5n plus 2n plus 3n should have 5n, right? Yep. And then we have minus 2 plus 3. What are we going to have? So should I rewrite this minus 2 plus 3 is going to be, so let's just say we have plus 3 minus 2, something like this. Yeah. So minus 5n plus 5n is automatically 0, and then plus 3 minus 2, we've got 1, and we have 0 plus 1, which is 1. So 3 raised to the power of 1 is what? Same thing as 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Yeah, so far so good. We have considered 6 examples. Yes, these questions are my desire was to do up to 10 questions, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to produce another video where I'm going to solve more examples. Yes. Please go through this video, try to share it with other students around you. Yes. You can also download it as well to listen to watch it at different time. Thank you for taking your time to watch. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Study Mathematics with me. Yes, Study Mathematics with me. Yeah, that is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for you to get notification of new lesson. Goodbye. If you have any question, I've said goodbye, but I'm just still going to say this. If you have any questions, Please just write in the comment box. I am going to attend your questions. Yes, it's a promise. Once again, goodbye.